Morning everybody. So as you can tell, this is day 14 of the Charlie's Advent calendar. So this is the mixed one, so I'm just going to jump straight into it because it's very early in the morning. So what have we got? Oh, now they are gorgeous. Look at the colour of them. I have to go back and get some more. We all know that that's happening. Oh, wow. Oh wow, they're like glass. Wow. Oh no, they are pretty. Wow, you all know that I love butterflies. You all know this. Well, if you've been with me for a while, you know that my favourite is butterflies and, you know, fairies and things like that. But these are absolutely stunning. Wow. Look at them, and they've even got like a little like a little silver bit in the middle. Wow. I've got to go and pick some more of these up, most definitely. So I won't be using them today. Ooh. So let's have a look and see what glitter we've got. Proper with the bag. Okay, are you ready? Ooh. And my favourite colour, and butterflies, which is also my favourite. How crazy is that? Oh, now that. Oh my god, that is lush in a bag. Wow. Wow. Now, as you know, I love butterflies. Purple's my favourite colour. So today, definitely my day. Oh my. Now, just look at that goodness. Oh, it is absolutely stunning. Oh my. I'm speechless. Right, I'm going to have to swatch it. I should be right back. Okay, so we're just going to apply the top coat like we always do. Oh, wow. That is amazing. Wow. That is stunning. Look at that. Wow. Oh, wow. That is gorgeous. Just look at that. Wow. So let's just cure that. So just to recap, we had the butterflies, which I definitely will be going and ordering more of them because they are absolutely gorgeous. I wonder if she has different colours. Whoa. I wonder. Because they are well pretty. And then we have the glitter mix, which is a purple haze. And this is what it looks like in the tray. Wow. Camera is like freaking out. It's just too luscious, that's why. Because it's luscious and it's like, what? What? I don't know. I'm very tired today already. Oh, I don't know. Getting a bit crazy, I think. Crazy. So, yeah, let me know what your thoughts are of these two items today. And here is the glitter mix. Again, the swatch. Absolutely stunning. Beautiful. So, let me know your thoughts down below. Do you like the glitter mix? I absolutely love it. It is lush. And the little butterflies are beautiful too. So yeah, let me know your thoughts down below, and yeah, I will definitely be going over. I might even get both of these. Yes, I think so. Anyway, that is my video for today. So, well, my opening video for today. Let me know your thoughts down below, and yeah, don't forget my discount code, and hopefully I will see you tomorrow morning. Thank you everybody so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, hit that like button, and yeah, I will see you all tomorrow morning. Bye. I'll post pictures at the end.